Local news for the 22nd of May. Group tickets for Toast Martinborough, New Zealand's premier wine and food celebration, are now on sale. So what better time to assemble your Toast crew? Toast Martinborough's General Manager Anna Nielsen says Toast 2017 will continue to redefine the festival experience, combining 25 years of tradition with some new innovations. Ms Nielsen says with your days about ticking off the bubbles bars with your crew, trying some new releases, locating an older vintage or talking to the winemakers, Toast has every avenue covered. 9 vineyard sites will be supported by food prepared by some of the country's best chefs to cater for every taste. Entries for the inaugural Export New Zealand ASB Wellington Export Awards closed last Friday. There are 4 categories, including Innovation, Most Sustainable, Award, Emerging Exporter and Excellence in Export Services. Entrants are required to describe their company and their achievements, and once shortlisted, judges visit the companies from next week. The finalists will be announced on June 6, and the winners of each category will contest the Supreme Award, the Exporter of the Year, which will be announced at a gala dinner on the waterfront at Te Wharewaka on the 21st of June. And in sport, Greytown in the first round and Moose Company Cup winners in Premier Club Rugby after beating East Coast 24-6. Gladstone were pushed hard but held on 14-19 over Pioneer. Carterton beat Marist 18-15, while Martinborough defeated Eketahuna 46-12. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.